Having YouTube as your full-time job, that is, YouTube is your 9 to 5 and your 6 to 8, and you know that you want to really make money on YouTube, you want to be very serious on YouTube. Other people that they make content on YouTube and they also have their side job that they also do, they also have other businesses that gives them money. But if you know that YouTube is the only thing that you want to do, you love creating content, and YouTube is what is going to liberate you, make your everyday life easy. You want to be on a holiday, you want to work at your own terms, you want to be creating content from the comfort of your home, and you want YouTube to change your life, then you need to debunk posting shorts. That's it. You need to debunk posting shorts. You need to learn how to reduce your short videos on YouTube. Reduce posting shorts on YouTube. Anytime you are posting shorts, make sure that you have the aim of posting that short to be able to get those people that watch YouTube in a vertical form to be able to subscribe to your channel. That means you need to post that short telling them that they should subscribe to your channel and watch your long form video. Use that short to be able to promote your long videos. That is your aim of posting short. Your aim of posting short should not be more than this if you are looking to earn money on YouTube and you want to earn big time, because we all know that the CPM and the RPM for short videos and long video is different, so different, and the margin is big. So many of us want to post long videos and many of us want to get views on our long videos. You need to stop posting shorts all the time. For example, if you've posted short videos in this week and you posted 2, you need to make sure that your long form video is more than 5 or 4. That is what you are going to do. Make sure that your long videos are overshadowing your short videos. That is how viewers can be able to come back to your channel and watch your videos, because these people that are coming back to your channel to watch your video have long attention span. They can sit down and watch your videos and be able to listen to you even till 5 minutes. You need that high average duration time for you to earn on YouTube. But for those that are into vlog and lifestyle, short is not going to really harm your channel that much, because you are literally engaging your users into your daily life, and posting it as short or long does not really matter. Whether they are watching you from short form or long form does not really matter. If they like you, if they like what you post, they will follow you and they will watch your long form videos. This is exceptionally for lifestyle channel. For those that are into tech reviews, they can also post short video. Short video is going to promote their channel. And for those that are into finance, for those that are into gaming, and for those that are into kids, that's kids content, they can also post short, because kids has low attention span rate. They want to watch something and scroll past immediately, so they can also post shorts to promote their channel. Short is not for every niche. Get that into your mind. Short is not for every niche. For how to and style, if you are into my type of niche, you are educating, you are sitting down, you are creating content, and you want people to listen to what you are saying, you want people to go through the tutorial as you are saying it, then you should slow down on posting short video. Short video is not for your type of niche. If you are into education, short video is not for your type of niche, except you don't want to earn on that channel. If you are into finance, you are talking about stockbroking, you're talking about how to invest your money, short videos is literally not for you, because these niches grow very slowly, and if you use short to grow them very fast, you are going to earn little money when you get monetized. Now, for other channels, for other niches like the podcast, the entertainment especially, you can use short videos to grow your channel. But put it in mind that these other niches do not earn much on long form videos, so they can use short videos to promote their channel, get the viewership they need, and be able to then post their long form videos and then get their subscribers, because these niches grow very fast on YouTube. So whether they post short or long, they will grow faster than the other niches I have talked about. That is my type of niche, the educational niche, how to and style niche, and the financial niche. Yes, but if you're into travel vlog, you're into lifestyle, you're into normal vlog, day in the life, you're into entertainment, you're into comedy, you can post short videos. You can post your short videos and you get your channel booming, and you get your subscribers, you get your watch hour and you're going to get monetized and you're going to make money. If you're a creator that just came on YouTube and you have used shorts to grow your channel to 1,000 subscribers, please unlist those shorts one after the other. If they are not your content, if it is not your face, it is not your content, unlist those shorts and delete them one after the other, because those shorts are going to hurt your long form videos. Yes, those people that followed you from your shorts on your short videos does not have long attention span. That means they are going to watch your long videos, but they are not going to stay more than 56 minutes or maximum 1 minute. That is how bad it's going to be. And you need a very high AVD, that is average view duration, for your video to blow up on YouTube. Yes, your audience need to watch your videos for as much as 3 to 5 minutes. If possible, 7 minutes of your video. Mark the minimum is 5 minutes, so that your videos will keep being recommended to other users. But if your subscribers are not watching your video for less than 56 minutes, it means that either you are doing something wrong, or they are from short subscribers and they are going to hurt your channel, they are going to hurt your long form video. You're not going to make literally any money, and if you're not monetized, you're not going to get monetization on time. Now, this is what you are going to do. If you have started posting shorts before, you need to go back to those shorts and unlist them and delete them one after the other, very slowly. Very slowly. I know why I'm emphasizing on it, so that your channel will not get shadow banned. That is the only easy way to be able to do this. And again, the second method you can do is to keep posting long videos, valuable videos, long form videos that will make your audience to come back and watch your videos. Now, when you are posting these long videos, keep pushing it into the algorithm. The algorithm is going to give you new users that are going to subscribe to your channel from your long videos. That is what is happening to my channel right now. If you see my analytics, I grew my channel with short videos. Yes, I grew my channel with short videos, but I stopped at a point when I got to 300 subscribers and I started posting mostly long form videos. And all the subscribers I've gotten from 300 to 500 and something like this now is from long form videos. I barely post shorts. If I post shorts, I post the shorts that is my content. That is my content. I want them to follow me because they are seeing my face and they like my content. Then they can follow me from that shorts, not another content, not another niche on that content. I'll be getting a lot of, you're not going on YouTube, you're not going on YouTube, post another thing, post another thing, post another niche, post a dancing video. No, if your niche is how to and style, stick to how to and style. If you want to post vlog, if you want to post lifestyle, create another channel and post it. Because if you start confusing YouTube algorithm that you are posting lifestyle on your video, on your YouTube, you are posting how to and style on your YouTube, you are posting so many things, so many niche on your YouTube, you are posting hauls, you are posting unboxing videos on your channel will hardly grow. You can only do that when your channel has gained momentum. It means that when your channel has already, yes, gain the subscribers and gain the viewership, your channel is already monetized, then you can spice things up by engaging your audience in more in-depth things about your life. But don't go too deep. Make sure that you stick to the primary aim of your channel. If the RPM for long form video is $5 to $1 to $5 to $7 on my niche, then for short video the RPM is going to be $0.1 to 0.20 cents, 0.01 cent to 0.20 cents. That is the highest you can get from short videos. So that is not what is going to make you a millionaire on YouTube. So you better start changing your strategy right now and then debunk posting shorts. In a month, I can post only, let's say, 5 shorts in a month, because I want to push more of my long form video to more audience. I don't want to post more of shorts, because once you get your 4,000 watch hour, you will get monetized immediately. But once you are posting a lot of shorts and you get monetized through shorts, you will not earn any money on that channel. That channel is totally dead. You have already killed that channel with shorts, and long form video will never thrive on that channel. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you are finding it hard to get views on your long form video. Let's discuss, be able to solve this situation, because the next available thing is to open another channel and post your long form videos. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.